Julia Wisner. I'm a 2013 graduate from the Agricultural Business Associate's degree and a 2015 graduate of the Agricultural Business Development Bachelor's degree. On a day-to-day basis, I might not be in the fields, but during my career and my time at the Farm Service Agency, I get to work with producers every day, talk about farming all day, every day. The best part of my job is working with producers in my community, growing relationships with them. It's very rewarding to see how you can help. Morrisville definitely helped me pave the way to where I am now, not only with my educational background, but also the connections that I have made through my time at Morrisville. I think the appeal, especially as a woman, was to get hands-on experience in the field and working with farmers. We do that with our capstone class, and that definitely helps me now in my career, working with farmers on a daily basis. In the last year of my career, I spent the majority of it traveling throughout New York State in different county offices, and there wasn't a county office that I went to that I didn't know at least a few farming families because of the people that I met and connected with here at Morrisville. The most important tool that I took away from Morrisville was communication. That was both through the School of Business and also in the School of Agriculture in my Ag Policy class.
I think a lot of students, when they come here, they think agriculture is just dirty, hands-on, like hard work. And in reality, there's a lot of jobs that are out there in the business office, the corporate, inspectors, sales reps, farm credit, things like that. And so not every job in the agriculture industry is geared towards just being dirty, getting up at 5 a.m. and doing the tasks and things like that at the farm. And I think by coming here or progressing their education, they're going to find those jobs and find different things that they want to get into.
My advice would be to do as many internships, both in production ag and ag business, as you can, and in many different types of agriculture as well. Just be able to flourish wherever you go and to get as much experience as you can in as much type of ag, both production and in ag business.